Viola Park is located on Highway 39 just south of Shell Knob, Missouri on beautiful Table Rock Lake, as shown here in red. It's about 30 minutes north of Eureka Springs, Arkansas, and about an hour west of Branson, Missouri. Join us as we drive through the property, and be sure to stay till the end for an animated map to show you the easiest way to get here. Viola Park and Campground offers the perfect escape for outdoor enthusiasts of all kinds. With its stunning landscapes and a wealth of recreational opportunities, this hidden gem is true paradise for campers and nature lovers alike. Upon arriving, you'll be greeted by many camping options to suit your need. The campground boasts a generous number of RV camping spots, providing a comfortable and convenient settings for your home away from home. With well-maintained hookups and ample space to spread out, you'll have all the essentials for a memorable camping experience. For those of you who prefer a more rustic experience, don't worry, Viola Park has plenty of camping spots where you can truly immerse yourself in nature. Imagine waking up to the sounds of chirping birds and the gentle rustles of leaves as the sun peeks over the horizon. Viola Park understands the importance and convenience of comfort during your outdoor adventure. The campground features clean and well-maintained flushable restrooms, hot showers, and a couple of vault toilets can be found around the park. So you can bid farewell to any worries about roughing it in the wild. The park offers a range of day use areas for visitors who want to enjoy the park without spending the night. Whether you're planning a picnic with loved ones, embarking on a serene hike along the picturesque trails, or simply to enjoy the leisurely stroll along the lake's edge, this park has you covered. As you venture beyond the campsites and amenities, you'll discover the park is not just about man-made conveniences. It is blessed with incredible natural landscape, majestic forest, rolling hills, and breathtaking views. So be sure to take a moment and breathe in the fresh air, listen to the sounds of nature, and let your worries melt away. From its well-appointed camping spots to its array of recreational opportunities, Viola Park near Sheldon, Missouri is a treasure waiting to be discovered. Whether you're seeking an outdoor adventure with your family and friends, or a peaceful retreat to reconnect with nature, this Corps of Engineer property promises an unforgettable experience. So pack your bags, embrace the spirit of exploration, and make your way to Viola Park today. The park features a marina where you can rent various watercraft, allowing you to explore the sparkling clear waters to your heart's content. Whether you're fishing, swimming, or simply cruising along the lake, you'll find endless enjoyment on these shimmering waves. Be sure to have your National Parks Pass in hand to get free access to the day use areas, as well as 50% off your camping fees. If you're finding this video to be helpful, we ask that you give us a thumbs up, leave us a message if you've ever stayed here or if you would like to stay here in the future, then subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. It's free and it'll let us know that we're doing something helpful for others. Coming from Harrison, Arkansas, or Branson, Missouri on Highway 65, take Highway 86 west approximately 24 miles to Carr Lane. Turn right on Highway 39 north and travel 5 miles. Then turn left onto Farm Road 2250, which is also known as Big Rock Road. Go 1 mile and you will reach the park entrance. Thank you for spending some of your time with us today. We hope this video has been helpful for you and your family. Be sure to check out our other videos shown here and tell your friends about us. We wish you safe travels and remember, have fun, let's travel.